My name is Dhanashri Meghejam Tigare. I am learning 7th standard. My school name is Gandhi Vidyalaya Wali. Today group discussing topic is river. I would like to share my thoughts on this topic. Today topic is a very important and interesting topic. River plays very important roles in our lives. River gives us water, stone, salt, etc. Wainganga river is a very beautiful river. Wainganga river is a very beautiful river and a very interesting place to Wainganga river. If my mother scold me when I am going to river, my mind is a very fresh. Wainganga river is a close to my heart. Wainganga river very best river in the world. Thank you.